Hey guys, this is Steve doing the video for Joe for the Larry Bird, David Robinson, and Magic Johnson 1 of 1 triple threads. Here is the list. I'm going to copy this so you can see I'm using the same list. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. I'm going to type live. It is 8:33. 2 dice, no snake eyes. We're going 7 times, guys. It is 8:33. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Jim on top and Jim on bottom after 6. Dice rolls a 7. It is 8:34, 7th and final time. Good luck. Joshua Quattlebaum, spot number 13. Congratulations, Joshua. 7 times. Joshua on top. Dice roll was 7. It is 8:34. Joshua, send your info to Joe. I'm going to type done. And it is 8:34. Thanks, guys.